everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be back and making new videos. I'm going to be showing you how to make a free website for your business on Big Cartel. First, you want to start off by creating an account, but since I already have one, I'm just going to log in. So once you log in, it's going to bring you to this page, and I did scroll down just to keep my stuff a little private, but here you have your theme, which you can choose. I'll show you how to do all that later, how you get paid, your taxes, your billing. This is the free option. It's the gold package, so make sure you choose that one at first when you're setting up your shipping profiles, preferences. You can pretty much see. And I'm going to be showing you in detail how you can edit these things in this video. Real quick, just be sure to click the like button to keep the algorithm going and subscribe if you haven't already. So to start it off, I am in the settings page, and this is where you choose your theme and you can customize it. So they have colors, they have the header image, they have the background image, fonts, they have options for text, and a bunch of good stuff that I'm going to go through and show you how it works. So I'm just scrolling down, giving you a quick view. They have places for you to leave your Twitter URL, Facebook URL, Instagram, and all that good stuff. So for my theme, I decided to choose Luna, but they have, I think, about 10 or 8-ish. I'm not sure. But these are the things I'm going to scroll through and show you. So before you even start customizing anything, you can actually click the template and see if you like it and see if it's a good outline and design for your website or the vision you're trying to create for your customers. So like I said, I chose the theme Luna because I thought this was the cutest for my business. And by the way, don't forget to follow our Instagram, which I'll show you towards the end of this video. But as you can see, I didn't choose a header image or a repeating background image. Instead, I did use the slideshow section, and that's what you see sliding across the pink backgrounds. And I did make those. If you want a video of that, leave it in the comment section. And here are the colors. Now, I'm going to just show you real quick how I change my font colors. And if you don't know like the specific codes, you just click on the actual color and the whole color scheme pops up, and you can just move your arrow cursor along that colors palette, I guess you would call it. But since I'm just changing these to black to give you an example, I know the code is 000000. So that's what I'm doing here real quick. And then once you click enter or return, it shows up, and you can see as I'm scrolling. So once I go down, this is the font section, the options for your text, all this good stuff, how many products you can have per page, what kind of products you can have on the page, all this good stuff. And they, like I said, they also have the URLs for your business page. So now I'm back in the settings account part, and as you can see, they have taxes, which you set up, billing, shipping profiles, preferences, security, all the stuff that you need in order to make your shop a success. So if you really want a detailed version of me going through this, let me know in the comments, but this is just me showing you how to get started and how to design. So we went through the themes pages already. Now I'm going to click on the pages. So here's where you can add your policies, your terms of service, about us, anything you want really that you need your customers or your visitors to know. And I'm going to show you how to insert a new page. So I'm just going to name it anything. I'll name it Siani's Favorites. And I'm going to add in the description box that's below just something simple, a simple message just to show you an example. And I have my favorite lash styles. And as you can see, that's how it pops up. So once you click in, so you can click the buttons that are directly on top of the words you're typing, and it just pops up whatever it is. You want to bold, italicize, leave a link, whatever you want to do. So I didn't have to add anything. I just clicked the enter button once I was finished, and this is how it shows up on your site. So I clicked the publish because I want to show you that's how you actually save your changes once you make anything. That's how you save it. So anything else is just editing. Once you push publish, it's going to be available for your site. And of course you can tweak it, edit it, delete it, any changes that you make. Just play around with the website so you just get a feel for it. So if you wanted to add a header image, you would just click that box. If you wanted to add a repeating background image, you would click that box and choose however you want to upload it. These are the slideshow pictures that I made, which are super cute. And this is the colors. I basically showed you that already. We'll get down to the fonts. So as we get to the fonts, of course you can go through these and pick whichever you like. They have they have a lot of options. So you just scroll through and pick which ones, look is cute for your business. And the secondary font, that's like the words that are not the title and not, at the top of the screen and all that good stuff. And I'm going to scroll down to my announcement text, and that's what you see at the top that says US shipping only. So I'm going to just make a quick edit so you can see how it looks if you want to, just switch it around. And then once you scroll down, you get into the navigation items, the featured products, which are these here, but I only have one right now that's viewable. And this is One Lash Style. I love these so much. You have to go view them on my Instagram page. The URLs, of course. Just scrolling back up to the top. So another important feature that they have is how to view your modes. So you can see at the top right, I'm clicking desktop view, tablet view, phone view, and you want to make sure you like the way it looks, because if someone's using their phone, majority of the time this is how it will look, your outline. If they're using the desktop, this is how it's going to look. If you're using the tablet, that's how it's going to look. So you just have the option to just tweak it to your liking. So we're going to get out of the account section, and next we're going to go into, so I'm going to click in products real quick just so I can show you how to add them. At the top, you see that plus button. You're going to add your product name. I'm just going to do Lash Style. Default price, you set that to how you want. And then the status, you can add these options. And then click Save. Then these are all the options for the lash style. You can add a picture, by camera, photo library, or browse. So it's going to have everything you need there. You can add the description. So I'm going to type in something real quick. So I just put anything into the description to just show you real quick how it looks, and I'm going to press save. And then the categories, you can set these up if you want. So if you have different products, you can put lashes, lip gloss, accessories, and then add it to that category. And when people click on it, they'll be able to just shop directly what's in that category. And of course, the shipping profiles and the taxes, this is based on wherever you are, I'm not sure. And that's how you set up your products. So here we are back at my website main page after adding the product in. And I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. I'm still in maintenance mode. And at the bottom, you can see these are the pages that I added. The terms of service, about us, Siani's favorite. And we even have a little spot for our Instagram. So I just clicked that, and you can do the same thing once my website is published, which will be sometime soon, very soon. So make sure you click that and give us a follow. Tuned in and supporting. I have so much good content here and so much more to come. I'm just working on building my followers up. So when you do go on the page and your website isn't set up, that's how it will look. That's your maintenance message. Okay, now we are back at our dashboard, and this is going to be how you see who's viewing, how many people are viewing your website. This is the orders, what's unshipped and shipped. Once you have things, which I can get more in detail about, it'll show up there. Products that we just went over, and discounts. So this is how you set up any discounts you want, like a 20%, 5%, or $10 off. This is how you do it. I'm just going to type something in real quick, but I'm not going to save it. You can see these are all the options that you have for setting up a discount. I'm just going to delete it real quick. And then we get down to the in-person checkout. Now this is if you have an adapter piece and people are going to swipe their cards or use, I don't know, a quick payment method with a card or cash. I'm not really sure on that. I haven't tried it yet with my new website, but that's how you do it. I think it's more so like Stripe payments that are processed with credit cards in person. Or I guess you can do it manually if someone's paying in cash. Thank you all so much for making it to the end of this video. Again, click that like and subscribe button to keep the algorithm going and for me to keep doing these business videos. Again, I'm so happy to be back on this YouTube channel and I can't wait for the next video. See you in the next one.